In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to improve your Shopify store. If you want to save time and make your store look more polished, AI can be a very helpful tool. It can support your writing, your visuals, and even your customer communication. The key is knowing how to use it in a practical way so the results actually fit your brand and help you sell more. To get started, open ChatGPT and clearly describe your Shopify store. Explain what you sell, who your ideal customers are, and what makes your products different. The more context you give, the better the output will be. For example, include your brand tone, price range, product benefits, and the type of customer problems your products solve. This helps AI create content that feels more relevant and targeted instead of generic. Once that foundation is in place, ask ChatGPT to help you create marketing content. You can use it for product descriptions, ad copy, email campaigns, and content ideas for social media or your blog. When reviewing what it gives you, make sure the wording sounds natural and matches your brand voice. AI can give you a strong first draft, but it works best when you refine it so it feels human and specific to your store. Next, use DALL-E or another image tool to create product visuals or marketing graphics. This can be useful for promotional banners, lifestyle style backgrounds, seasonal campaigns, or concept images that support your products visually. As with the written content, be sure the visuals match your brand style, colors, and overall look so your store feels consistent from page to page. After that, add the AI-generated copy and visuals directly into your Shopify store. Update your product pages, homepage sections, promotional banners, and other key areas where customers make buying decisions. As you do this, focus on clarity. Your content should help shoppers quickly understand what the product is, why it matters, and why they should buy it from you. You can also use ChatGPT to create customer support replies and FAQ answers. This is especially helpful for common questions about shipping, returns, product use, or sizing. Having clear, ready-to-use responses can save time and improve the customer experience. From there, improve your product pages by making the benefits clearer and the calls to action stronger. Instead of only listing features, explain how the product helps the customer. Then test different versions of your copy and visuals to see what performs best. Finally, keep improving your store based on sales and customer behavior. Use what you learn to keep refining your messaging, images, and pages over time. That ongoing process is what turns AI from a simple tool into a real growth advantage for your Shopify store.